Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making pumpkin pie. Guys, this pumpkin pie is so rich and creamy on the inside and flaky on the outside, guys. So let's check out the ingredients. So here, my lovelies, the ingredients are 1 15-ounce can 100% pure pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/3 cup evaporated milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon vanilla, ½ teaspoon pumpkin spice, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. So let's get started, guys. Heat oven to 425. Prepare pie crust. Now in a large bowl add the pumpkin, two eggs, combine, sugar, pumpkin spice, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, ginger, heavy whipping cream, tablespoon vanilla, and the evaporated milk. This is going to make it so creamy, guys. So creamy. Here I have my prepared pie crust. So now I will go ahead and fill. Now let's go to the oven. Bake time 40 to 45 minutes. So here we go, guys. My rich, creamy and flaky pumpkin pie. Beautifully done. Also, I made this pumpkin crust from scratch. So if you would like to see how I do it, please check my description box. Thank you all so much for watching. So here, my lovelies, you can have your pie just like this, or you can add my homemade whipped cream. So I will add to my pastry bag. If you would like to see how I make the whipped cream, just drop me a yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.